Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to pay using GGives in Foodpanda. So let's start. First, open the Foodpanda application and place an order from any restaurant of your choice. Once you have added your items to the cart, go ahead and tap on View Cart to review your order details. Here, tap on Review Payment and Address. If you have a balance in your PandaPay wallet, it will automatically be set as your preferred payment method. Now, if you want to use GGives, just tap on this Change option under Payment Method section. From there, make sure to select the GCash account that you want to use in paying for your order. Once you have confirmed this, complete your order as usual. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.